Tired of missing the most recent post from your friends or your best creators, I'm going to show you guys how to see the most recent post from your friends or your best creator in this video. I am going to help you to make it easy to find those recent posts, and this is just what you need to do. Open your Instagram account now. I do not know your recent friend, but to see their recent post or to see their post, all you need to do is to go ahead and go to their account. First, you follow them. Once you follow them, the next thing you do is to click on the three-dotted icon and then you add them to favorite. Now, when you add them to favorite, anytime you open your Instagram, they are going to be the first post that you see. Let me do this to two different accounts so that you see how it works. Now, after you have done that, you see on this top area, click on that and then you go to favorite. Now, on your favorite, you are going to see all of the most recent posts from your favorite creators on Instagram. So this is what I want to show you, and I hope it's helpful. For more video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.